I tactfully asked the neighbour to take his car off his driveway. Yeah, I was concerned with splashing water and mud up onto his car, but actually, I was really concerned with flicking up stones or grit and causing damage to his vehicle. So it's good to always be aware of the potential dangers when you're pressure washing and to work defensively. I try to work in a systematic fashion. It's easy to get carried away when you're pressure washing and you start cleaning areas that you've already cleaned, or you miss areas that you think you've cleaned. So just try to break the job down into sections and work it like that.